In this part of our training course, we want to add a thermostat family to our project. Maybe you faced this problem to not having a thermostat family or finding it from internet. So you have to model the thermostat family. And thermostat family is very deep discussion. And in this part of our training course, I try to explain it to you and model the thermostat for you. If we succeed this, we will try to train the family course later. For modeling the family, we have to know that the family belongs to which category. We have three categories: system family, nodal family, and modeling family. System families like ducts, pipes, or architecturing like wall, ceiling, floors, and objects like this. And for example, if you select the duct, for doing this, for making a duct, you have to go to in this place, duplicate this one and make our family into here, and then we add our connection to it. So system families must have create in the project, and when you select the system family, there's no loadable family here. So this was the specification about the system family. And for example, you use mechanical equipment, loadable is made here, load family, as you can see. But when you select the duct, there was no option like this. So the specification of this is load family is activate when you use that, okay? When you go to the family environment, you have to add it and model it inside the project. And another one is model in place, and select your desired category. And after that, you can see the tools which belongs to family, and you can model the family inside your project. For example, foundation, but the foundation tools in the structure tab is available, but this is the another method. Or for example, you want to model the some part of the kitchen, like open, you can use that. If we want to model the thermostat, it is belong to mechanical equipment, so we have to select the family template before that. So I go to the file menu, new, family, and after selecting the family, you can see all the templates belong to the family, okay? And we told you we have two types of the family. Thermostat will connect to the wall or on the floor, and because we didn't find that, we have to go to the generic model phase based, because I want to put it on the floor. And it's important to know that to not selecting wall based, okay? Okay, after that I use open, and I go to the family drawing environment. We have the surface here. This is the default base, and if you model your family here and this and move it to the project and place it in any place, you can see exact the same thing as you can see here. And for modeling the thermostat, I have to go to reference level, and in the family environment you do not have the level 1 or 2 or others. And we have these elevations, back, front, left, right. We have these options here, and the directions, the geographical directions, and this is the difference between those. And from the Create tab we can make the extrusion or volume, extrusion, blend, revolve, or sweep blend. And persons who work with the 3D softwares like SolidWorks or CATIA, they are familiar with these tools. So with these tools you can make an volume, and with white tools you can empty some places of the volume which you made it. So we start to draw. For modeling a thermostat, I need to draw some lines. One line is center, front, back, and another one is center and left and right. Okay, and back and front. Okay, I use create. From create datum panel, I use the reference plane. It is used for the draw additional rise to draw my shape correctly. So I draw some lines, and another one here, and another one here. These are for as additional.